Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws securing the top hinge cover. Gently lay the cover back, ensuring you don't strain or disconnect the attached wire. Before removing the hinge bracket, note the position of each screw. This ensures proper realignment during reinstallation. Remove screws holding the hinge bracket to the refrigerator. Carefully disconnect the control board cable attached to the hinge. Lift the hinge bracket straight upward, feeding any wires through the side opening. Place any wires inside the new hinge bracket before sliding it into the hinge pocket on the door. Align the screw holes with the original positions. Reinstall the screws into their marked locations. Then reconnect the control board cable. Place the hinge cover back over the bracket. Reinsert and tighten the 3 Phillips screws to secure the cover. For replacing the bottom hinges, begin by carefully laying the refrigerator on its back to expose the bottom hinges. As with the top hinge, note the position of each screw before removal. Unscrew the 4 screws securing the bottom hinge bracket. Slide the old hinge bracket straight out. Then slide the new hinge bracket into place, ensuring the screw holes align with the original positions. Reinstall the 4 screws into their marked locations. Return the refrigerator to its upright position. Open and close the door several times to confirm smooth operation, proper alignment, and a secure seal.